Hello guys, my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. Today I am reviewing a brand new software which is Scroll and Profit. So if you don't know about this software, so it's a brand new software launched by Moshberry, and this software is help you to sell your products as an affiliate. And it doesn't matter that you are selling the products of ClickBank, JVZoo or Warrior Plus. You can sell one of these platforms products guys very easily with the help of this software, and you do not need to do any hard work to sell your products guys, because all work was done by this software. So if you are interested in this software or want to know more about this software, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end, because today I'm also giving my 4 premium bonuses for free of cost guys to you, and these all 4 bonuses are also going to help you in make money online guys. So first I want to show you my bonuses, then we go to the members area of this software and know what kind of features you are getting in this software and how this software works guys, and how you can make money with the help of this software. So guys, when you click the link which is in the description, you bring through here on my bonus page. As you can see, my insane bonus bundle of Scroll and Profit. So, and here you can also see that this is the world's first pay to scroll system that pays us for scrolling through mobile phones, and this revealed $337 billion hidden loophole guys, and you can make $67.39 per hour with the help of this software. So guys, here you can also see that there is a clock guys, and I want to tell you one thing guys, that if you are going to buy this software with my link, then buy as fast as you can, because when this clock hits 0, then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear and you will get the remaining 2 bonuses guys. So buy as fast as you can before this clock hits 0. So now it's time to know about the software guys, and when you scroll down here you can see the image of this software and the description. So guys, you can read this to your own, and when you scroll down here you can see the prices and upsells guys, but we talk later about the prices guys, because I want to tell you some key benefits of this software, and these whole key benefits I'm going to explain you these key benefits one by one. So the first key benefits of this Scroll and Profit software is guys, no actual work. You make other people do all the work for you. So guys, as I told you that you do not need to do hard work with, to sell your products, because all work was done by this software and you have to just collect the commission. And the second one is guys, new unique software and training. So guys, as I also told you that this is a brand new software. And the third one is guys, 100% newbie friendly yet equally powerful for advanced marketers. So guys, this software was 100% newbie friendly, and it also work for advanced marketers guys. And the fourth one is guys, which is proven profitable over and over. So guys, this software was tested, and the peoples are making a ton of money with the help of this software guys. And the another one is guys, works in any niche. So guys, if you are related to spirituality, make money online niche or health, this software work with any niche guys, and you can make a lot of money with this with the help of this software guys. And the another one is guys, works right now. So guys, to set up this software you just need 10 minutes and you can start earning guys. And the another one is guys, all the traffic is built in. So guys, the whole traffic was driven by this software. You do not need to do any extra thing to sell your products. And the last key benefit is guys, which is 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, if you think that this software is not working for you, then you can also refund this software and get your money back within 30 days guys. So I think I told you every key benefits of this software, Scroll and Profit. So now when you scroll down more guys, here you can see that there is a demo video. You can also watch this demo video guys. And now it's time to know about my bonuses. So my first bonus is guys, which is how to build a WordPress site, and its value is guys $447 guys. So with this bonus you are going to learn how you can make your website on WordPress step by step guys. And the second bonus is guys, which is Bing Ads Mastery Training, and its value is guys $647. And with this bonus you are going to learn how you can promote your offers with the help of Bing Ads guys and make more money guys. And the third bonus is guys, which is $0 to $100 in 24 hours, and its price is guys $797. So guys, in this bonus you are going to learn how you can earn your first $100 within just 24 hours guys. And the fourth bonus is guys, which is Instagram Made Simple, and its price is guys $397. So with this my bonus you are going to learn how you can also make money with Instagram and how you can promote your offers on Instagram guys. And the fifth bonus is guys, which is special bonus, and this bonus was provided to you by the vendors, and its price is guys, which is $2,997. And I am also going to show you the vendors bonuses guys. So here we are. The first bonus was 0 to 1k a day in 30 days live training, and the second bonus is guys passive income system add-on, and the third bonus is guys 100,000 with affiliate offers, and the fourth bonus is guys scroll and profit ATM, and the fifth bonus is guys, which is 10x your money back as quick as today. So guys, this 5 bonuses and also my 4 premium bonuses, these all 9 bonuses today you are getting for free of cost guys. And also remember one thing guys, that when this clock hits 0, then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear guys. So buy as fast as you can. So now it's time to know about the prices of this software guys. So the front end price of this guys is, which is $22, and the OTO 1, its price is guys $197, and OTO 2, its price is guys $197, and OTO 3, its price is guys $47, and OTO 4, its price is guys $97, and OTO 5, its price is guys $47. So guys, now it's time to know how you can buy this software. So guys, first you have to click the link which is in the description, and when you come here on my bonus page, you have to click one of these yellow button, which is click here to secure your bonuses. So when you click one of these yellow button, you bring through here on the sales page of this scroll and profit. And one more thing guys, that if you buy this for software with my link, then you will get $3 discount extra. And here you have to click this yellow button, which is add to cart, and when you click this yellow button, you have to pay the price of this software guys, and the software is yours. So now it's time to know how you can redeem all bonuses guys. So you will get the bonuses in the members area of vendors bonuses, but for my bonuses you have to come to your Warrior Plus account and go to your purchase history guys and search for scroll and profit. So when you click on scroll and profit, the interface looks like that guys, and here is a blue button which is access affiliate bonus guys. So when you click this button, you can get access all my premium bonuses for free of cost guys. So this is the whole process how you can buy this software, and how this software will going to help you to make more sales and generate more revenue guys. So now it's time to know what kind of features you are getting in this software and how this software works guys, and how you can make money with the help of this software guys. So I'm going to play a video of this software guys, and in this video you can see everything of this software and every features of this software guys. So let's play the video.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Scroll and Profit demo video, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of this application. And you can see the login page here, so we need to log in first and let's see how it works and what's in the inside. So you can see that we have successfully logged into our Scroll and Profit account, and this is the dashboard here. So basically Scroll and Profit is a multi-channel affiliate marketing page builder application that will help you to make money online very easy, and it's a user-friendly application. So you can make money just by following three simple steps. First, you just need to choose a hot notch offer from the affiliate marketplace like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBanks. And then you just need to create your own pages. So you can build your page, you can customize them. So you can create landing pages, opt-in pages, thank you pages, and many others. After creating your pages, you can sort your page link from the link blocking section, and then the import accounts will help you to import your social media accounts with this application. After that, you can post to your offers in different social media platforms, like you can share it to your Facebook account. So from the Facebook section you can see that the Facebook poster section and comment growth tool section. So the Facebook poster section will help you to create multiple Facebook posts, and the comment growth tools will help you to monitoring your comment and the reply. And the social blast section will help you to share your offers to different social media platforms. So you can use all of this from here. And after that, the automated blog section will help you to post blog to your website directly from here. So you can create blog post from here, and the meta tags will help you to analyze the keyword or tags for your blog. And after that, you can see that the Messenger WooCommerce section. So this section will help you to create plugins for your Messenger WooCommerce feature in your website. You can create it from the create plugin button. And after that, you can see the DeFi ecom store. So from here you can create your DeFi ecom store very easily. And after that, you can see that the email marketing feature. So this will help you to create campaign for your email marketing. So you just need to click on action and you just need to set up the API, and the SMS marketing will work as same as the email marketing. You just need to set up the APIs. And last but not the least is offer comparison section. So here you can compare your two offers, or you can compare your offers with other vendors offer. So this is how the scroll and profit will work for you. So you can make money online very easily by using this application, and you just need to follow three steps. So first you have to select a hot notch offer, and then you have to build your own pages, and then you have to share it to the different social media platforms so that you can get traffic. And this is how it will help you to make money online. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
So guys, now the demo video of this scroll and profit is finished, and I think you can see or learn everything about this software, that how you can use this software and how you can make money with the help of this software, guys. So if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and comment down below, guys, and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends. And if you are going to buy this software, guys, then buy as fast as you can. The link is in the description, guys, and have a nice day. Thank you.